Alrighty folks, here we are. It is the next day. It has snowed 20 inches so far. And if you look around you here, it looks like most of the places, Randy's do it best, they ain't open. Food Line's open, but they only got like 5 cars in the parking lot. Hardee's obviously is not open. Advanced Auto is obviously not open. If you look up here, you'll see a stop sign that is almost completely covered in snow because of the plows more than anything, but still, it's a sight you don't see in Virginia every day. It is almost touching the sign. It's a couple of inches away. You got people driving around with fucking 2 feet of snow on the top of their cars, and all in all, it's a pretty crappy day. I love it. Better watch out so I don't get run over by that guy. People plowing, and I guess that's really just about it. My lips are starting to freeze, so I'm gonna go back inside here pretty soon. All right, there. Peace.